So here is the watch. It's in the box. We have everything that I received in the parcel. Here is the card, date of purchase. Don't know why you didn't put the serial number of the watch inside of the field, but let's skip this. So here is the watch itself. Here is the number, SNK809K2, the watch which I was ordering. Sorry, do not have a special equipment for video, that's why quality is not the best. So first of all, just try to hear this sound. You hear? This is the sound of the part which is not sitting appropriate inside of the mechanism. Can you hear this? Here is the normal sound of the rotor. But this is not the good sound. This is telling that the rotor is not only spinning in rounds, it's also moving like this inside of the body, because we see this small part in the middle of the mechanism, inside of the rotor. It's a screw, and it is not screwed until the end. This is the common issue for a lot of people in internet. So that's why now I need to give the watch to repairman to disassemble the back cover and to screw for 100% to fix the rotor, so it will be only spinning in rounds but will not be moving up and down while moving in these rounds. So that's why we hear this noise. 1 second, I will put the watch on the hand. So here we go. Here is the watch on hand, and you can hear that it's too much of noise because the rotor is not fixed properly inside of the watch. Moreover, it can cause the damage in future if the rotor will not be screwed into the mechanism for 100%. So anyway, the watch should be given to the repairs, to the watch shop, because otherwise I can't walk with him, because the screw can screw up and make a damage to the other parts of the mechanism. So that's why I was not wearing the watch during these days. It was only in the box, and I was just investigating the issue and how can it be fixed. I will attach the video of how this issue is shown in other cases of users in internet, but right now I will again show how it sounds So you can hear that even a slightest you can hear that this is the sound of how metal is touching rather lower side of the mechanism, or the upper side means the glass. It's not good. There shouldn't be this type of noise. That's the problem. All the problem is in this small thing in the middle. It was not completely screwed until the end. I suppose it's now screwed like for 80, maybe 85%, so that's why we have this problem with rotor. It's a common issue. I will attach the video so you will look to it. Thanks.